I recently spent some amazing time exploring the Outer Banks, and I want to share my personal favorite luxury stays that offer incredible value for your trip. At number one, Surfside Hotel gave me an incredible experience from the moment I arrived. I stayed in a beautiful oceanfront room, and waking up to the sound of the waves right outside my private balcony was a true luxury. The room was perfectly clean and the bed was super comfortable. I loved having the option of both indoor and outdoor pools, making relaxing easy after a long day. The location is convenient to local shops, and the friendly staff treated me like family. Prices range around $200 to $300 a night depending on the season. Coming in at number two, Sea Ranch Resort really blew me away with its incredible beachfront access and wonderful atmosphere. I felt so relaxed walking straight from my spacious room right onto the soft sand. The dining options right on the property were fantastic, and I had some of the absolute best seafood of my entire trip there. My room felt fresh and inviting, offering that perfect touch of affordable luxury. The location meant I was close to all the main attractions. Prices here hover around $180 to $250 a night. At number three, the Inn on Pamlico Sound is a beautiful boutique gem that gave me the most peaceful escape. I honestly could not get enough of the stunning sunset views over the water right from the property. The service here is incredibly personal, making me feel so special from check-in to check-out. I enjoyed world-class dining at their restaurant, and my room was beautifully decorated with elegant touches that screamed pure luxury. It is safely tucked away in Buxton, perfect for a quiet retreat. Paying around $250 to $350 a night felt like a great deal. Moving on to number four, Hampton Inn and Suites in Corolla offered me a perfect blend of comfort and fun. I absolutely loved spending my afternoons drifting down their lazy river after a long walk on the beach. My suite was spotlessly clean, very spacious, and gave me a totally stress-free stay. Getting to the ocean was just a short walk away, adding to that feeling of exclusive luxury. You can expect to pay anywhere from $200 to $300 a night for this consistently great experience. Finishing up at number five, Yancey Oceanfront Inn charmed me with its recent updates and prime location. I was thrilled to find my room so modern and comfortable, with direct views of the beautiful ocean. Stepping out of my room and being just steps away from the water was an absolute dream, bringing coastal luxury right to my door. I spent hours lounging by their gorgeous pool area. Nightly rates here typically run between $150 and $250, which is a fantastic value for the area.